Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, it's finally happened. I caught the red squirrel. This tube trap has caught 3 of them so far this year, 3 squirrels. This red squirrel, a black squirrel, and a brown squirrel. Didn't want to catch the black or the brown. They don't seem to bother anything. But this little guy, he chewed holes in the house. Just can't have that. Caught 1 chipmunk with a chipmunkinator. Never caught a thing with a live trap. The ants kept eating the peanut butter off the trap. So that didn't work. But anyways, happy days. Finally got the little bugger gone. Now I can go out on about my business of watering plants and taking care of things and doing the things I like doing. I don't like chasing squirrels. Now that I got this done and I'm getting my way down through the pile of wood over there, I should be able to start doing some actual Sneelock stuff. You know, the kind of stuff I like doing. Storing tools and taking care of my house and doing the things I want to do instead of trying to kill squirrels. Don't like that. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.